96 Chevy pickup truck 1500. Replaced the intake manifold, and I already pulled the intake part, the filter, air filter parts.
What it looks like with the air filter causing assembly off. Now you pull the rest of that crap, get that center out.
I got my Chevy truck all back together and it's running good now. Thankfully, with the help of my family, my brother and sister-in-law for giving me a gift card for Christmas. I used that money to get some parts, and thankfully for my dad, he came down and gave me some moral support and some financial support. Helped me buy some more parts that were needed. The cap and rotor were in bad shape, and that was definitely some money I didn't expect to have to spend. And also my son for helping out. He came and helped. He went and got parts that are needed while I stayed and continued to take apart and also go back together. And he also helped buy some parts that I needed. That was definitely a project. I took it apart probably further than what normally somebody would do, but I like to have that area a whole lot opened up. So I took all of the accessories off it out of the way, make it a little easier to get that manifold in and out. The way that front valley and rear valley, the seal that seals off the oil to be able to seep out, it's just silicone. You just put a big old fat bead of silicone on there, let it tack up, and then you set it back into place. And I've had the problem in the past where I've done one where I pushed the silicone out of the way and so it didn't seep, and then of course then I had an oil leak and I had to take it back apart later on. So this one seems to be sealed up good. It's running good now. I still got a couple more parts I might have to save up some cash for. Needs a new idler. Belt pulley is chirping and the belt is stretched, so I need to get a new belt and a new pulley, and then that should be good to go. And then after that, the next big project is going to be replacing the upper A-arm control arms. The bushings are shot on it, and you can get a whole ready to install arms, and that's going to be probably about 80 bucks. And then because the rubber bushings on mine are shot, they're wore out. But I mean, what do you expect? It's got almost 300,000 miles on it. It's got 270 something thousand miles on it, so it still runs good. I just got to get that fixed, and that'll help make the front more stable and not wear out my tires. So that project is done. Now I can run that thing back and forth to work now, and I can give back my dad's Jeep that he let me borrow and drive it. I was driving it while my truck was down. So once again, thank you for my family for helping me out, my brother and sister-in-law for the money that they gave me, my dad for coming down and hanging out, and also money giving me the parts, being able to buy the parts that I need, and my son for coming down and helping me take it apart, put it back together, and also help me with running and getting parts and buying some parts that I needed. So all in all, it's a done deal and moving on. Thank you very much.